It's just like a shared account happening.
That's Holly. That's Hannah. Oh, that's Ishika. Okay, so basically there's a lot going. They're eating pizza. And what does she have for lunch? Nothing? Do you have anything for lunch? I guess not. So I'm fasting and I'm not eating anything.
Well, I eat a bunch of snacks in study hall, so I think I'm gonna hold off. But I have another study hall after this when Maya rotates out, so I think I'll eat that.
Okay. And I'm fasting. Oh yeah, sorry. I said you're eating pizza. I thought you were
Change of scenery. We're outside. So we're sitting on the bleachers with the softball field because their school's on fire. And we're on prep, so no one needs us. She's on prep, we're in lunch. They're in lunch, and we're just chilling. Living our best life. Yeah, she's. Yeah, they're filming TikToks, so. We can do that too. Oh my god! Yeah, they're gonna. Yeah. Oh my god. It's getting rowdy. Why the hell are you
here to fire people? What do you think happened to Gasly? I didn't.
We can do a Snapchat like that. Actually sent us home. Wait, what? What? What just happened like that? Bro, I got scared. We can do it. We can do it. Oh, of course, this couldn't have happened like earlier this week when it was like 90. Now when it's like 30 degrees. Fire trucks are supposedly coming. We have to clear the roads. There's scat. So fire trucks are coming. I think that's all that we'd updated. That's all we got. That's our update. We're on the bleachers in the softball field. Fire trucks are coming. School's on fire. And Michelle's like tweeting out. She's speaking out. She's cold. Her nose is red, and I have a jacket. Yeah. Oh yeah, for adding. I have a jacket. Are you cold actually? Very much so. You can like share my jacket. Oh.
So,
Michelle's taking a personal walk.
yeah,
I like when Michelle takes over. I've recorded my face. It's like twisted.